Hi friends, in previous session we learned the how to get data from database with using select query. In SQL Server we have a operators to filter data in tables. So what are the operators and what is the use of operators we will see now. If I execute this query, select query, I am able to getting the data from this table. Now I want to filter based on a client requirement. So to filter those data, we have required operators. First of all, what are the operators present here? So in SQL Server, we have a operators like and, or, not equal, okay, not equal, and equal, equal, less than, okay, and less than or equal to, less than or equal, less than or equal, and greater than, greater than, and greater than or equal to, greater than or equal. So these are the types. We have a and operator, or operator, not equal operator, equal operator, less than operator, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. How to apply these operators in a SQL Server? For example, I want to get this salary equal to 10,000, only 10,000. So I have to use the equal operator. So how can I achieve now? See, select star from employee where salary equal to 10,000. So now I'm using the equal operator. So run this query, we can get the only employee having 10,000. Now I want to get employee greater than 10,000 using greater than equal operator. So I'm using greater than operator. So the people who having greater than 10,000, this is a symbol for a greater than, and execute and getting the employee who having more than 10,000, and I want to get employees information, the salary more than 20,000, and if I have to use a 20,000, salary greater than 20,000, I will get a 4 records only. But I want to get the employee having 20,000 and more than 20,000. So I have to use the greater than or equal. So greater than or equal operator I have to use. Now execute this query. I will get the employee having 20,000 and more than 20,000. Now I want to get employee having less than 20,000. Employee having 20,000 using less than operator. Now execute this one. Click on execute button. See, I'm getting the 20,000. Now I want to get employee information, salary having 20,000 and less than 20,000. So I have to use the less than or equal to. If employee having 20,000 and less than 20,000. If I run this query, I will get the 20,000 and below 20,000 employee information. Now I want to get employee information, the people not equal to 20,000. The rest of the information I wanted. So using this not equal to operator, I will get a rest of the employees information. Now if you see here, I'm getting the 10,000, 40,000, 40,500, but I didn't get any employee information equal to 20,000. This is the not equal to operator in a SQL server, and I want to get employee having a 10,000 and 40,000. Those two employee information only I want. Now I have to use the and. Now salary equal to, now salary equal to 10,000 and salary equal to 40,000. Going to give 40,000. I'm giving the and operator. So I will get only 20,000 and 40,000 I didn't get because one employee should not contain 10,000 and 40,000. So I have to use the OR operator. The salary equal to 10,000 and 40,000. The employee who having salary equal to 10,000 or 40,000. Both employee information I am able to get in using the OR operator. So I want to get employee information in between 20,000 and 40,000. So I want to get employee information in between. Now I'm going to inserting one more record 6 and I'm inserting the 30,500. So in between 20,000 and 40,000 I want to get a employee information. I'm inserting here and I'm changing this name Kiran. Okay, and inserting this record. Execute. Yes, record is inserted successfully. To check, select star from employee. Now I want to get a employee information between 30,000 and 40,000. Its salary equal to 30,000 between b between salary and I want to get a employee containing 30,000, more than 30,000, and salary equal to 40,000. So more than 30,000 up to equal to 40,000. So depends on a requirement. Okay, depends on requirement. We have to use these operators. Now I will get only more than 30,000, but I want to get up to 30,000 also. So I have to use the greater than or equal to. Now if you see here, it is a greater than 30,000 and up to 40,000. I will get the data. So this is the operators we have to use in SQL Server to filter data in a database. Okay friends, thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.